Are you actually in control of your business? Or are you simply reacting to a constant stream of problems? Think of standard accounting software as a speedometer. It tells your financial speed now, but reveals nothing about fuel levels or engine health. Relying on scattered spreadsheets and disconnected departmental software creates a dangerous illusion. You feel equipped, but in reality, you are driving half-blind. Internally, this fragmentation causes immediate friction. Your team makes costly manual data entry errors, reports are outdated by the time they reach your desk, and executive decisions are inevitably delayed. Externally, the stakes are even higher. In the highly regulated UAE market, this lack of internal synchronization directly translates into severe compliance risks with federal tax authority rules. In a fast-paced environment, failing to unify your data causes immediate operational risk. If you don't have a unified system, you are working blind. The solution is a fully integrated accounting ERP, serving as your centralized digital dashboard. Systems like Hinawi ERP, developed in Abu Dhabi, bring all your scattered operations securely under one roof. Generic off-the-shelf global software often falls short in the Emirates. A system must be structurally built around local realities to function as an effective control center. Raw transaction data enters the system, and built-in automation instantly organizes it for VAT and e-invoicing. This automation extends to staff, handling UAE labor law payroll calculations and generating CIF files without manual cross-checking. To function across the region, the system also handles multiple currencies in real time and provides a native, bilingual Arabic and English interface for clear communication with government bodies. Native integration ensures your data remains consistent across every department, removing the manual gaps where compliance errors usually hide. An effective ERP utilizes a modular architecture. It adapts to your specific industry by plugging specialized operational tools directly into the core financial system. A real estate firm uses a dedicated module to handle the manual tracking of contracts, complex service charges, and post-dated checks. A manufacturing or contracting company can plug in tools for job costing and bills of materials, tying the physical realities of the production floor directly to exact profit margins. This is what absolute internal control looks like. Every department operates from the exact same up-to-the-minute reality. When your team logs a new localized event, like a lease agreement, it accurately updates the general ledger and your financial forecasts in real time. Zero double entry. This is your control system. It provides the oversight needed to manage every department through a single real-time interface. The total value of a unified system is found in the speed and accuracy of your entire operation, reclaimed from hours of manual reconciliation. The immediate operational return includes shorter financial closing cycles and a significantly lower risk of costly FTA compliance fines. This graph illustrates your strategic return. While reactive legacy systems keep your trajectory flat, real-time ERP forecasting gives you the intelligence to pivot toward market opportunities before your competitors even spot them. Implementing new software naturally raises valid executive concerns about business disruption and operational downtime. You avoid this disruption through a phased rollout strategy. This process is managed end-to-end by a local Abu Dhabi-based support team that understands the distinct operational pace of the GCC market. A professional implementation provides the high-fidelity oversight necessary to expand your business without losing control of your margins. Stop letting manual data entry dictate your workflow. Take back total control of your enterprise today. For a free consultation, contact us today.